Good evening, children. How are you all? Am I audible?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, Meher.
Good evening, ma'am.
Beta. Good evening. Good evening, Rizwana. Good evening, Moksha. Siddhant, good evening. Siddharth, good evening. Kashvi, Huria, Pranya, Siddhishri, Sudhamshu, Sumu, good evening, beta.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. So, children, let's start trigonometry chapter, application of trigonometry, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So, in application of trigonometry, we will learn how to find the length of the tower, suppose length of the building, okay? And width of the river, suppose we have to find out like these things, okay? And suppose two ships are coming, one is approaching the other. So, at what time they
Ma'am,
will...
your screen is not visible.
Yes, beta?
Did you screen share, ma'am?
No, now I have shared. Okay, I was just explaining orally. So, application of trigonometry. Now screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, see here. Suppose, see, a boy is flying a kite. Okay. So boy is standing here. And at what height the kite is from the ground? This we can find by the application of this trigonometry. In this chapter, we will learn this. Okay. And you have seen the flyovers, right? Flyovers are always like this only. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So at which angle they should be inclined? This angle. Okay. So this we will learn in this chapter. Or suppose two cars are approaching. This car is approaching this car. So at what time, after what distance, or at what time, after what time they will meet? So this we will learn. How to find this, we will learn in this chapter. So before that, there are two terms in this chapter. First is angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. So what is your angle of elevation? See, suppose a girl is standing on the ground. Okay. And she is watching a star in the sky. So the angle made by her with the horizontal axis. This horizontal axis is termed as line of sight. And in physics, this is known as this normal. Right, beta? Normal. Yes. In light chapter, I guess you are studying this. Normal. So where line of angle of incidence and angle of refraction is there, right? So this will treat as a line of sight will treat it as normal ray. Okay. So this angle, the angle made by the girl with horizontal axis, is angle of elevation. So in the simple language, when you are seeing upward, then you are making elevation angle. Okay, beta? Clear this thing, angle of elevation?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Now, suppose there is a building. And a girl is standing on the building. And here is You can say here is a tortoise. Okay. Tortoise is there. And she is watching that. So the angle made by her while watching this with a line of sight, this angle is angle of depression. Clear this thing, beta? So D, see, angle of depression. You can learn by this. Depression means down. It means you are seeing downwards. Okay. Elevation, you can learn that D for down, then it will be obviously upper. Upperward. Okay, upward. Understood, beta? So what is your angle of elevation? Tell.
Is it like the angle above line?
Yes, when you are seeing upward, and angle of depression when you are seeing downwards. Okay. So see here, it will be more clear by taking an example. I'm taking example. Suppose a tower is 100 root 3 meter high. A tower is 100 root 3 meter high. Find the angle of the elevation. Find the angle of elevation of its top from a point. From a point 100 meter away from its feet. So see, tower is there. So you can draw a tower. So tower is vertically stands on the ground, beta. Right? It will be straight line. Vertically straight line. And the height of tower is 100 root 3 meter. And they are saying, find the angle of elevation from a point 100 meter away. So its feet is this. So 100 meter away, it means this point is 100 meter away from this, its feet. So now angle of elevation, it means someone is standing at this point. Let mark this point be P. So angle of elevation of the top of the, so top is this. So now this is right angle type triangle. So because your flyover or tower always makes 90-degree angle with the ground. Clear this thing, children? So this angle we need to find. At which angle? Clear? Am I clear, beta? How you will draw the figure?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we have to find what we have to find angle of elevation. And this thing you have given. So you can, this is your perpendicular. So you will write AB represents star. And AB is given 100 root 3. And BC represents the distance from its feet. Represent the distance of point from its feet. So BC is given. First of all, you will write what is given here. Now both things are given. So you can write in ratio. So you will write AB upon BC. Now beta, perpendicular upon base is equal to which trigonometry ratio? Tell me, class.
Tan theta.
Yes, tan theta. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole. So last fraction stand for 10. Perpendicular base. So you will write here 10 theta. Okay. So now AB is 100 root 3. BC is 100 is equal to 10 theta. So 100 cancel. So this imply value of 10 theta is root 3. Now check the table, children. At which value of 10 is root 3? 60 degree? So you can write 1060. So now on comparing the angle, the value of theta will be 60 degree. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this. What happened to you children today?
A lot
You
happened.
people are not active today.
A lot happened.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Aryan?
A lot of things happened, ma'am.
Okay. Please note this, children.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm for real, ma'am.
Yes, Aryan?
Oh, ma'am. Today a lot of bad things happened in school.
Okay. Okay, beta. Just leave those things and focus on your studies, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
All have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now may I proceed to next question?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, what if the value of the degree comes out of the trigonometric table? How can we find it?
Have you remembered? I have told you how to make the table of trigonometry.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
So
ma'am,
you have to. Yes, beta?
now what happens if the value is not from
Yeah.
value is not from the table?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Same, ma'am.
If it will not come in the table, that you will write, see. See, suppose the value of 10 theta comes 35 degree. Okay. I know the value of 35 because in grade 11, you will learn how to find the value of these values also. Okay. So you will write theta is equal to tan inverse 35 degree. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because this 10 will goes in the denominator, but
Yeah, ma'am.
10 should be a function of any angle. We
Yeah, ma'am.
can't leave it is alone. Okay. So you will write tan inverse 35. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So may I proceed to next?
Yes, ma'am.
So Mukh written, Abhinav Aryan, Kashvi,
Yes,
Rizwana.
ma'am. Written, ma'am.
Okay.
Completed.
Siddharth, Moksha, Huria,
Done, ma'am.
Kashvi, Pranya, Rizwana,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhishri,
Yes,
Sudhanshu, Sumokh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is suppose you have given that. Now kite question I am taking. The string of the kite is string of the kite is 100 meters long. Do you like to fly kite?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And it makes an angle 60 degree with the horizontal. With the horizontal, find the height of the kite. Find the height of the kite. And assuming that there is no slack, assuming that there is no slack in the string. So, beta, in solving these type of questions, first of all, you have to draw the figure because the trigonometry is a game of figures only. Okay. So, see the string of the kite. So, first of all, the kite is in the sky. It will fly like this, beta. Right? So it makes angle 60 degree with the horizontal. And they are saying, assuming that there is a no slack. It means it should be straight, beta. Right? So now you have to find this height of the kite from the ground. So this string is given 100 meter. And you have to find this height. So first of all, label it A, B, C. And this will be 90 degree angle. So now you have got the right angle triangle, children. So how you will solve it? See. The string of the kite, so you will write, let AC represents string. So value of AC is given 100 meter. And let AB represents height of kite from the ground. And this you have supposed is equal to H meter. Okay. So now you will write in triangle ABC. Okay. So children, this is the method that what you have to find, you have to write in numerator. So we have to calculate this AB. So you will write AB. Now what is given AC? So you will write in that denominator. Okay. Now tell me, beta, perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to which trigonometry ratio?
Sine theta.
Sine theta.
Sine theta.
Yes, very good. So sine theta. Now instead of theta, what is given here? 60 degree. Right? Now put the value H upon 100. Value of sine 60, children?
3/2.
Yes. Yes, root 3 by 2. Now cross multiply. You will get value of H as 100 root 3 divided by 2. Or value of H will be 50 root 3 meter. This is the answer. Now you will write your answer within a box. And at the end you will write height of the kite is equal to 50 meter. 50 root 3 meter. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt in this question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta, please note this. Okay. Dharya, Aryan, Abhinav, Siddharth, Moksha. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Abhinav? Abhinav, where you have gone?
Ma'am, my wife wasn't talking.
Okay. Huria, Kashvi,
Yes, ma'am.
Pranya, Rizwana, Sudhamshu, Sumo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Meher has replied me.
Ma'am,
beta.
can you scroll down a little?
Yes, beta, I'm scrolling down. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is AB written again?
AB represent height of the kite from the ground.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
All have written, children?
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question, children. Okay, see. A circus artist is climbing is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a pole to the ground. Then find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground is 30 degrees. Will you try, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, draw the figure.
Ma'am, I didn't understand a question. Can you draw the diagram?
Yes. See, a circus artist climbing a long rope which is tightly stretched from the top of a pole. So pole will be like this now, vertically, it will be vertically stands on the ground, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And they are saying that it is tight, rope is tightly stretched from the top of that pole to the ground. Clear, beta? This is your rope,
Okay.
right? And this is your horizontal. So this is angle 30 degree. Now easily you can find the value, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Try.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
Very good, Rizwana. Can you show me the your notebook, beta, on the screen?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, show me. Keep closer to the screen, beta. Good, Rizwana. Very good, beta. Very good, beta. Done, children? Tell me your answer. Hurry up.
Ma'am, is height 10 meters?
Yes.
Ma'am, even I got the same answer.
Yes. Correct. Height of the pole should be 10 meter. Let AB is equal to H meter be the height of the pole, beta. And AC is equal to 20 meter is the length of the rope, or you can say string. Now, in triangle ABC, what we have to find? This H. So you will write this in the numerator. So AB upon AC. It is equal to which trigonometry ratio?
Sine.
Yes. So sine 30. Right? So AB is H. AC is at 20. Sine 30 is 1 by. So now value of H will be 10. 10 meters. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So Moksh, Sudhanshu, Kashvi, Huriya, Dharya, Moksha, Abhinav, Aryan.
Yes, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Got it, ma'am.
Because you people are not
Yes, ma'am. Got it,
responding.
ma'am.
Only Meher, Pranya, and Rizwana is responding. Kashvi?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Okay. So may I proceed to next question, children, if you have done with this
Yes,
question?
ma'am.
Yes.
Right, ma'am.
Okay.
Right, ma'am.
And today I will share one worksheet on polynomial chapter and one worksheet on this application of trigonometry. Okay?
Once can you scroll up?
Yeah. Okay, children? So that side by side you can revise your polynomial chapter and you will do this type of questions. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, sure.
Ma'am, can you also send AP questions?
Okay.
Ma'am, is statistics done in like here in the class?
No, beta, statistic we have not done. We have done a few chapters only.
Okay, ma'am, because like we're done with statistics, probability, and like chapters 1 to 5.
No, only we have done 2 to 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Done, ma'am.
Done. May I proceed to next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question is
Yes, ma'am.
a tree. Very important question. This question came several times in MCQs in board exam. A tree is broken by the wind. The top struck the ground. The top struck the ground at an angle of 30 degree and at the distance of 30 meters from the root. From the root. So find the total height of the tree. Find the total height of the tree. So will you try, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Try it.
So, ma'am, the distance of the ground with the top of the tree which has fallen down is 30 meters.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
till the broken branch is 30 meters, right?
Yes,
till the
Vidabhina?
broken trunk.
Yes,
Is it the full
broken tree.
length of that? Yeah.
Ma'am, is 30 hypotenuse or base?
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, is 30 hypotenuse or base?
30.
Yes, ma'am. 30 meters.
It's a height.
Check
Okay,
it
ma'am.
once again, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think 30 is the base only, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes. Base will be 30.
Ma'am, isn't that the height? If it's considered as a triangle, it is the perpendicular distance, right? So the
See.
perpendicular to the base.
See. This is a tree. Right?
It's not
And
visible.
the tree is, see, so it is vertically stands on the ground. Right? Now
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
broken. It is broken. Suppose it is broken from here. Okay. Now it struck the ground. Like this. Right? So which is 30 meters away from the root. This is tree root. This is 30 meters. Now this length and this length will be equal, na? Because this part of the tree struck the ground. Clear? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So mark A, B,
Ma'am, I
C,
got
and
now.
D. Now easily you can find. Let it be H, it be X. And this is also be X. Now you can find. So I am giving you hint. H upon 30 will be equal to perpendicular upon base.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is 30 divided by root 3? It's like 17.32, right?
Yes. H by 30 will be equal to 30 beta.
Yes, ma'am.
So value of H will be 30 root 3, right? Sorry, 30 by root 3. So
Yes.
you will rationalize it. Then you will get 10 root 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now in the same way, you will take this triangle again in triangle BCD. Now you will take this X on the upper side. So X upon 30. Now hypotenuse upon base will be equal to sec 30 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Then value of sec 30 is 2 by root 3. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So value of x will be 60 by root 3. Now rationalize it better because in denominator we have got irrational number. So 60 root 3 by 3. So it will be 20 root 3. So your total
Ma'am?
height of the tree will be, yes,
Ma'am, for this I've done in a different method, ma'am. I found the other angle and then I took like base upon height or something. Like I got the other
which
angle.
angle you have, which angle you have calculated? This angle.
Ma'am, we know that angle C is 90 and this angle D is equals to
Yes.
30, so angle A would be 60.
Yes. Fine, beta.
And then I
Yes, you can do. No worries.
Okay.
So children, have you understood this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can you
please
explain
note
it
this.
again?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
Yes. See, a figure have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So firstly, I have taken this triangle, beta. This DBC. So here I will calculate it this H. Okay, that's why I have written in the numerator. H by 30. So perpendicular upon base is equal to 10. And angle is given 30 degree. Now write H upon 30 is equal to root 1 by root 3. Now cross multiply and rationalize it. You will get 10 root 3. Clear? Now we want this height also, na? The length of the broken part of the tree. So for this also, we will apply this trigonometry ratio. So x upon 30. X we need to calculate and 30 is given. So this is equal to sec. 30 is given. So 2 by root 3. Now cross multiply, it will be 60 by root 3. Cross multiply, you will get 20 root 3. Now total height will be 20 root 3 plus 10 root 3. So 30 root 3 meter. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, ma'am.
Completed.
Written, beta?
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. So those who have written, they can leave, beta. Now we will meet tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Bye,
can you please
beta.
post AP worksheet?
Bye, ma'am.
Okay. I'm posting this application of trigonometry, polynomial. And by tonight, I will post arithmetic progression also. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. All have written, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Have a
Bye,
good
ma'am.
day.
Bye-bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Yes, Sudhamshu?
Once can you share the screen?
Yes. Visible?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, beta. Bye, Sumok.